What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and the Monte Carlo is back. I know we usually do like a video of it coming out of wherever it's at in storage, but I've had it out for like about 3 weeks at this point, and I was gonna make a video, but it got, you know, crappy outside again, so didn't end up making the video. But in today's video, obviously she's dirty as hell. We're gonna bring her to the car wash, maybe do some pulls. This dude's stressing out because his tire is completely flat. Let's give her a gander. Whoa! Oh my god. I mean, like, that's a pretty big bowl. But anyways, we'll get this thing washed up, and there's plenty of videos to come over it this year, so I'll pick you guys back up when we're at the car wash.
I can't believe you neglect this thing.
I know, right? 42 degrees outside. Let's see how loud she is.
42 psi?
You wish. Get this back shot, dude. This one's gonna...
Oh! Don't lose sight. Hashtag shout out.
Hashtag shout out. Nobody can see the big bulking camera in your hand, dude. You're good.
The BBC.
No one can see the BBC in your hand, dude. Chill out.
Everybody knows that's what that's short for. Big bulking camera.
Yeah, let's get some soap in the drawer.
Soap and water.
Hey, yo! Hey, hit that button. A little more time. That's good. That's good. Oh, shit. God damn!
Hey, yo!
I don't even see it there. Oh. Great shot. Alright guys, so that's going to conclude today's video. The Monte Carlo is back. We have some more content coming over it for this year. It's just deciding on, you know, what the content will actually be. So again, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see all you guys in the next one.